Buying Bitcoin because price is going up is still a terrible reason to buy. I am under the impression I am seeing more and more just sold this and this to buy BTC posts these days. Just a friendly reminder, if you buy Bitcoin without understanding the vision or why it has value, regardless of its USD price, you are at a high risk of ending up disappointed at some point. Questions you should ask yourself: why you are buying at 35K and why you were not making your move at 20K. Will you still be alright with your purchase if price drops by 30? Will you be able to withstand the numerous "I told you BTC is a scam" comments from friends and family if the price drops from your entry point? Do you intend on exploring the Bitcoin tech ecosystem actually using BTC, or you just want price exposure? That being said, of course I love BTC. I got to the market in the last bull just because it caught my attention. I read about BTC, liked the vision and values, and got familiar with the tech. I was able to acquire most of my stack during the bear because, contrary to a lot of people who got started during the last bull, I see value in BTC no matter what the price is. Happy stacking decentralized tech exploring to all of you. Came for the gains, stayed for the brains. I hate these gatekeeping posts. Realize these people are the reason why Bitcoin will continue to go up, and any adoption of Bitcoin is good for everyone. Most people who buy Bitcoin for the vision are full of shit. They want to take down banks but cheer for ETFs? Lol. I do agree we need a currency that is not at the whim of a government, because they are all terrible. But if people want to buy Bitcoin to make money, it's just as valid of a reason as those who supposedly support the vision. They are buying at 35K because they do not want to end up buying at 350K, where BTC is without a doubt going sooner or later. What is so hard to understand about this? I dunno. People buy at 35K because everyone will experience FUD no matter what happens. That's just the nature of economics and Mr. Johnny-come-lately, so to speak. But let's play devil's advocate, right? Suppose people want to buy in at 35K and risk it. Well, so be it. You can pretty much say it was a bargain if you believe Bitcoin will hit 6 figures in 4 years or possibly less. Then they can laugh all the way to the bank all they want if you ask me. Relieved face, relieved face. In the grand scheme of things, it's always a good idea to buy Bitcoin. Period. Why didn't you buy in the bull market top when you found BTC if you really don't care about price? Liar thinking face. IDK men. I'm super maxi cause I believe in Bitcoin as a better form of money, but I would be a liar if I told you I don't buy expecting to get richer as time goes on. Once you understand it, you couldn't stay out if you wanted to, because you know it will pump sometime. Driven by its scarcity. Why would a rational person not have as much as they could afford? People don't understand but trade with it are gamblers. I very much understand Bitcoin, but I'm still buying because it's going up. I don't have to listen to "I told you so" comments from people when the price drops because I don't tell them I buy Bitcoin in the first place. I initially got into Bitcoin in late dec of 2020 because I sold some stock and noticed the BTC price action. My thought process was, whoa, this thing is really flying up. I can make a quick profit and dip out. But as soon as I bought, I started studying what it actually is and was amazed. I remember thinking, wait, it does what? I've been buying and studying ever since. Especially though this bear market came for the gains, stayed for the revolution. $20,000. Why didn't you buy at $6 OP? It's a perfectly valid strategy. When the price was dropping, it was because the economy was uncertain. The fact that the price has been steadily going up shows a restoring retail trust in the market. It's a perfectly valid thing to want to invest more when you're more confident. Not everyone buys for the same reason, and gatekeeping Bitcoin makes the community worse. I buy Bitcoin because I fear it'll go up. We're not the same skull rolling on the floor laughing. I don't buy Bitcoin because the price goes up, but because of news that will lead to a long-term price boost. Approved ETFs. News about countries using Bitcoin as currency. Large companies entering the market, etc. Unfortunately, the price jumps quickly after these news. But that's a higher price I'm willing to pay. Came for the gains. I disagree. Momentum is a proven quantifiable indicator that has beaten the market on average. Thanks for being a voice of reason. Nice to read something on here that isn't just trying to push an agenda. I buy when it goes up. I also buy when it goes down. And I buy when it goes sideways. STFU. It's not. Everyone is trying to enrich themselves. Stop lying to yourself. No one is investing altruistically. Hear, hear. Our gatekeeping. I don't look at the price, I'm just trying as hard as I can to be a whole coiner. I think I've seen enough losses to become desensitized to these situations. Just a few months ago, most of my investments were at 80 losses from ATH. I'm convinced my blood has been replaced with liquid metal at this point. I bought Bitcoin the first time because the price was low. Now I have experience. So I buy because the price is low. Any reason is a good reason. At this price point, if you believe that Bitcoin's true price is greater than the current price, then any additional reason is immaterial. Lies. Doing it for the money is far more rational. Bitcoin is an experiment. No one actually knows what its final destination will be. So far there's patterns and opportunities for profit. But you have to remember, it comes at the loss of someone else. Price going up is a good reason so long as you know what you are doing within the space. Price going up is just side effect of buying into most scarcest asset in the history with most secure network. DCA is the way to go. Op makes a good point though. If they just buy for the price, they won't be able to withstand the volatility. They will either sell as soon as price doubles and miss out the long-term gains because they don't understand what they are buying, or sell at 60 because they don't have conviction. Mostly bot accounts. People don't realize how many of these posts could be bots. It's confounding to buy when everybody else is, because if you end up being wrong, so is everyone else. LMAO. Normal people buy Bitcoin when it's low to sell high. Period. This isn't Star Wars or a kid's cartoon. That's right, guys. Never sell Bitcoin and keep buying it to just collect it, I guess, like Pokemons. The whole never sell thing was like a joke to keep people around to hold the bag. Ha ha ha. Well, first things first. Never buy when the price is increasing. The second thing is that you like it cause is going, or it made you money, otherwise you would not be interested in it. Please can someone help me with Bitcoin any amount? 1 DYASMZ coder 9E6MZHUTW3EBCJUJLCLIK1 God will continue to bless you. Yeah, I buy when price goes down. What the HLL does it matter to you for which reasons people buy Bitcoin? Take it easy, man. Mind your own Satoshis and let other people mind theirs. This sounds like you're a part of some kind of cult where only the true believers will be saved in the rapture. Doesn't matter. It's one of the reasons BTC attracts buyers.